In this video, I will show you how easy it is to have perfect skin. Let's begin.
Do you hate dark circles under your eyes? Do you want to get rid of dark circles? If so, watch this video. You will learn how to naturally reduce dark circles at home. The skin under the eyes is very thin, and could be irritated by trying chemical products. Let's explore natural home remedies, which will surely help you lighten the skin tone under your eyes, without harming the skin in any way. Number 1. Use rose water to soothe the under-eye skin. Dark circles appear due to darkening of the thin layer of skin under the eye. Rose water lightens the skin tone, and provides a soothing and calming effect. The refreshing fragrance of rose water relaxes the senses. How to use. Take cotton pads and soak it in water. Then, soak the wet cotton pads into rose water. Apply these rose water-soaked cotton pads onto eyes at least twice a week. Use only pure and natural rose water to get best results. Number 2. Apply cold tea bags on your eyes. The skin under the eyes will lighten when the dilated blood vessels constrict in due time. This can be achieved by a simple procedure. Apply cold tea bags on your eyes at night. The polyphenols and catechins found in tea help in reducing the dark circles by constricting dilated blood vessels, and reduce the dark circles. Number 3. DIY coffee and honey scrub for dark circles. Coffee is believed to have antioxidants in large amount, therefore it is often used to treat problems of puffy eyes, swollen eyes, or even dark circles. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a natural skin toner that improves blood circulation and reduces dark circles. Let's see how to make a coffee scrub for your eyes. How to make. Take 1 tablespoon of organic coffee powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the paste well. Honey is a natural moisturizer that helps in absorption of caffeine in the skin, for reducing the dark circles. Apply the mixture around your eyes, especially on dark circles. Leave it overnight, or remove it after 30 minutes if you experience any irritation. Number 4. Apply lemon juice to get rid of dark circles. Lemon has bleaching properties, and is rich in vitamin C. It helps in lightening the skin, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The regular use of lemon juice also strengthens the thin skin area under the eyes, and reduces pigmentation and darkening. How to use. Take small quantity of lemon juice. Now, take a small quantity of tomato juice. Mix well. Apply the mixture of both with cotton pads. After drying, reapply it, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash it. You can apply it every day if no irritation occurs. Number 5. Massage aloe vera gel under your eyes. One of the most promising beauty picks is aloe vera gel, as it soothes the skin, and nourishes it deeply. Aloe vera gel has no side effects, and you can use it just by plucking the aloe vera leaf from your garden. It reduces dark circles by hydrating the skin, and boosting blood circulation. How to make. Take an aloe vera leaf from your garden, slit it open with a kitchen knife. Scale off the gel part only. Apply the gel onto dark circle area. Gently massage for a few minutes in circular motions, until it holds onto your skin. After 10 to 12 minutes, wipe it out using soft moist cloth. Try this remedy at least twice a day, once in the morning, and once before bedtime. Number 6. Apply cold milk to the eyes. Lactic acid in milk is vital in fighting aging and pigmentation associated with the skin. Moreover, the coolness of milk provides relaxation to blood vessels present in the under-eye region. How to use. Take half a cup of cold milk, and dip 2 cotton pads into it. Place these cotton pads on the affected areas. For faster results, do this twice a week. Number 7. Apply crushed mint leaves under eyes. Mint is a well-known Ayurvedic ingredient for treating skin issues. Mint leaves reduce water retention under the skin, which relieves puffiness and soothes tired eyes. How to use. Take half a dozen of mint leaves and crush them, adding a few drops of water, and make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your dark circles. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Wash it with cold water. Everyone's skin is different. If your skin reacts in a negative way, Immediately stop using these home remedies, and consult a specialist or your own doctor about an eye or under eye product or treatment for your specific condition. If you think this video is helpful, please like and hit the subscription button. We upload a new health and beauty related video frequently.
I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.